Are you trying to manifest money? Do you have financial troubles that you want to get out of? If yes, then this video is for you. Hi, my name is Preeti and I'm your life coach and law of attraction guide. In this video, I'm going to be talking about a success story of one of my clients who used the bay leaf manifestation method to manifest money. Are you familiar with bay leaf manifestation method? Type yes if you are and type no if you have never heard of what bay leaf manifestation is. If you don't know what it is, then I'm going to link the video right here. Make sure you go and check it out. Now let's listen to what my client has to say about her success story.
Hi everybody. I just wanted to share my experience with this affirmation. So I'm a working mother of two, and I always rely only on my earnings for financial commitments. Though God has been kind enough to me to give me finance as and when I required, I was always finding it a bit tight because I support a lot of kids also for education other than my own kids. Whatever money was due to me was also not reaching me. So I was feeling very frustrated. I was feeling very short of finance and I didn't know what to do. So that was when I got introduced to Preeti. So she counseled me and she told me that whatever has happened in the past is past. Just leave it. So what you do now is you just raise your vibrations and you show your gratitude toward the universe, and you will definitely be blessed with financial abundance. I didn't believe her at the first instance. Then she followed up her counseling session with a list of videos which I had to see, and she gave me some to-do points where I had to just follow what she said. So the first thing was on her advice. First thing she asked me to do was de-stressing by listening to one of her videos. So that's exactly what I did. She counseled me on the 1st of August at evening at around 7:30 p.m. Indian Standard Time. So after that, I just listened to her video, whichever she asked me to listen. And then after that, so she asked me to just listen to I am affirmations every day, twice a day. That is in the morning and the evening. She just asked me to listen to it. And then she said, you write down these 10 gratitude points every day without fail. So that's all she asked me to do. And she said, because I was struggling, because I felt I was struggling for the financial thing, she said, you please start bay leaf manifestation, and she gave me a link on as to how to do it. Got the bay leaf on Monday. Monday, that is August 3rd. Okay. So I started the bay leaf manifestation and I continued with the I am affirmations, and I started writing the 10 gratitude points, whatever she asked me to do. And you won't believe it. I was getting very good 10 gratitude points. I was able to find out really 10 gratitude points which I got. So Monday in the morning, I started this bay leaf, and before that I had listened to I am affirmations. Then all of a sudden, everything which was tough for me started becoming very easy. I'm vacating a house here, so I had to call the plumber, AC mechanic. I've been trying this for the last 3 months, and there was nobody. And I was trying to sell a cot. I was trying to sell my washing machine and things like that. So for the past 3 months, I was really struggling. There was nobody. Monday, you just won't believe it. I just called the plumber. He immediately was on my doorstep. Then the AC mechanic, he said, I'm just near your thing. I'll just come and visit you. Everything just finished. By 4:30 that day, I had already reached my 10 gratitude points because everything was so easy. And the plumber who had come, he offered to take my cot, buy my cot and the washing machine at a very good price. I was really surprised. It was just 2 days showing gratitude to the universe. After that, I just continued. So I wrote a note to Preeti saying, I'm very grateful to you for letting me know all this. And then I continued whatever she told me. Today morning, that is Wednesday. So my boss calls me in the morning. So I told him that I am very worried that my bonus bonus, I got only 20% of what was due to me. So that was a very meager amount. So I was very upset with that because already I was financially struggling, and on top of it, my bonus, which is a very common money financial asset, didn't come to me. Then my boss called me in the morning today and he said, please open and see, we have sent you a revised bonus letter and you're having the full amount. So I was so happy. So immediately I pinged to Preeti and I told her that this bay leaf I did only for 2 days and this is really helping me build up my financial abundance. So I was just telling her that it is very good, and this is very motivating, guys. I would suggest that people just take this positive affirmations and feel gratitude and just do whatever, Preeti says. She's a great life coach. I'm very happy, and I've got confidence that I'll be able to manifest my dreams. Thank you, universe, for leading me to Preeti, and I'm very happy to all what you've given to me. Thank you so much.
That is such a wonderful success story. I am so happy for her that she followed all the instructions that I gave her. She listened to the affirmations with full focus. She wrote gratitude every single day and did the bay leaf ritual. Because she had faith, because she really believed in this, she was able to manifest it. How many of you are inspired to try the bay leaf method to manifest money, to get out of your financial situation? Type I will try in the chat box if you are committing to try the bay leaf manifestation method for your own success. Personally, I love this method for manifestation of money and I recommend it to everybody. So I hope this story has really given you that push to try this method. It is very simple and anybody can do it. So make sure you watch this video of how to do the bay leaf manifestation method and watch this video of all the questions that I've answered for the bay leaf manifestation method. If you have any more questions, make sure you leave them down below. I will see you in another video soon. Bye.